What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone to a Ford Edge. This is a 2017 Ford Edge here, but it will be the same on a few different years. We're going to be doing it on an iPhone, but it will be similar on others. But just so you're aware, we'll be doing it on an iPhone here. The first thing we want to do is go into our iPhone settings menu and then click on Bluetooth. Make sure that's on. And then on the radio, on the bottom here, we're going to click the phone menu and then click add a phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
So now if we take a look at our phone under discoverable devices, we have the Ford Edge. Go ahead and click on that.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on the device.
So then we're going to make sure this number here matches here, which it does. So click yes, and then go back to your phone and click pair. This is just allowing if you want it to
For your safety,
allow your contacts and all that. I'll come back to that. I'm just going to click don't allow.
Use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
And now it's connected. Now there's a few more things here about the contacts, and if you want the 911 assist, I'm not going to set that up now. So go ahead and click finish. And that is it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.